Hello dear children, we started a division chapter, and in that division chapter you learned how to divide small numbers, right? And in today's video we will talk about dividing by a greater divisors. Means divisor has 2-digit, 3-digit numbers. So when you have this kind of a divisors, then how to divide? It's very simple. First, just recall the steps which you have to follow for division. In the first step, you have to decide where your division should start, right? So next, in the step 2, first divide, right? Then multiply, then subtract, then check. And in the step 3, you have to repeat these steps again. Okay? So now, let's have an example. The given 993 divide 993 by 42. So how to divide this number? First, dear children, write this number in an order. Okay? 993. And here you should write 42. And even though you can write it like this also. 993. Both are same. Okay? Now, suppose if you want to divide this 9 by 4, right? Just if you want to divide this 9 by 4, you know that 4 2s are 8 is there, right? So that's why I will take 42 into 2. 42 into 2. Okay? So 42 into 2, 42 into 2, 84, right? So 42 into 2, 84, right here 84. We multiplied these numbers and we written here, and now subtract. 9 minus 4 is 5, 9 minus 8 is 1. We got 15. And now bring down this next digit 3. Again we have to divide 153 by 42. Now, suppose if you want to divide only 15 by 4, 15 by 4, you know that 4 3s are 12 we have, right? So in the same way, now I will take 42 into 3. 42 into 3. So now 42 into 3, first you can make rough work here. I will make rough work here. 42 into 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 4s are 12, right? We have 126 here. 42 into 3. Now I will take 126. Okay? Now subtract. So here we can't subtract 6 in 3. So then regroup this 3 as a 13. So 13 minus 6. Yes, your answer is right. You will get 7. And now subtract this regroup number. 5 minus 1, 4. 4 minus 2, 2. And 1 minus 1, 0. Is that clear, children? So now we got quotient 23, remainder 20. Okay, dear students, take one more example. 864 divided by 27. So write in order first. 27, 864, right? So first you have to decide where your division should begin. So here, from here you should start your division. First, can you tell me, is it possible to divide only 8 by 27? No. Then consider 86. So 27 into, we don't know here which number will comes, but after multiplication you should get a number which is near to 86. So I will try for 27 into 2, right? 2 sevens are 14, 2 twos are 4 plus 1, 5, 54. It is very less compared to 86. So I will go for next one, 27 into 3. 3 sevens are 21, 3 twos are 6 plus 2, 8. So this is rough work. Okay. So now we got 81. So do you think it is near to 86? Yes. So 27 threes I will write here. Okay, first you can write 1 0 because 8 we can't divide, so that's why I written 0 and then I consider 86. So 27 threes are 81, right? So 6 minus 1 is 5, 8 minus 8 is 0. And now I will take 4. Bring down this term 4. Now we have 54. See this? 27 twos are 54. We have 27 twos are 54. So I will write 27 twos are 54. Then subtract. So here we got 32 quotient, remainder 0. Is that clear, children? Take one more example. 525 divided by 32. Okay. So first 32 right here, 525. So first consider only 5. We can't divide this 5. So write here 0. Then take these two digits. Then it will be 52. So now I will find the number which is near to 52 in 32 tables. 32 twos are, I will check this one. 2 twos are 4. 2 threes are 6. 64. It comes 64. It is bigger than 52. So that's why I will take 32 ones are 32. Okay. And now I will subtract. 2 minus 2, 0. 5 minus 3, 2. Right. So now I will take 5. Just bring down this term. Now we have 205. Okay. So 32 fours are 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12. We have 128. So just go for next one. Otherwise, one more method is there. Suppose if you are dividing this 20 by 3 only, then you will go for a 3 6 18. So that's why I will go for 32 into 6, right? So 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 18 plus 1, 19. So 192. It is near to 205. But no problem. Try for a next number because we don't know, maybe it comes very near to 205. So I am checking now. 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21 plus 1, 22. No, it is bigger than 205. So I will take 32 into 6. So 32 6 are 192. Right? Then subtract. 5 minus 2, 3. Then take, just regroup this number. 10 minus 9, 1. 2 minus 1, 1. So 1 minus 1, 0. So here we got quotient 16, remainder 30. So in this way, dear children, you have to solve these problems. Hope you understood, and if you have doubt, you can ask me. Some more examples I will solve in the next video.